NCSimul 2026 has introduced a revolutionary feature called Rest Stock Previews to significantly reduce simulation times on large parts and allow the user to jump into any partially machined state mid-project. This does not replace NCSimul's leading proven and accurate simulation engine. It simply enables an additional fast calculation of rough stock for better navigation during the G-code decoding phase. Here's how it works. Load the project as normal, but instead of automatically starting the decoding in NCSimul's three-step process, head to the new Rest Stock Preview Calculation Settings icon. Choose a quality setting for the quick stock generation, either performance, balanced, or accuracy. This dictates how fine the resolution is for each sequence of stored material removal in the project. Enable the calculation to watch the G-code decoding find any syntax error at the same time. It creates a jumping in point for full simulation with the new gray Rest Stock indicator. Right-click or hit F7 to jump directly to that point in the G-code, updating the stock state to the start of that sequence. Further, right-click and choose to simulate a specific operation or set of operations to dive right into the full simulation engine of NCSimul with the same accuracy as in previous versions, but without the need to run prior simulation processes to get there. Notice everything already calculated is indicated in green in the job tree, and the machine and program start directly from the selected tool sequences, removing material to the final specified tolerances. In this real example, the on-machining time is 11.5 hours. Using NCSimul's traditional workflow, which was already industry-leading for end-to-end speed, the decoding took 3.5 minutes, and the simulation took another 9 minutes and 15 seconds, for a total of nearly 13 minutes to reach sequence 31. If the goal was to see what may have gone wrong at this juncture, this was the requirement to reach it the first time the project is viewed. With a new Rest Stock Previews workflow, the generation in a balanced quality setting took 2.5 minutes total to both decode and generate a rough stock, allowing the user to jump in and do a full simulation right from sequence 31 or anywhere else. This is an over 5 times reduction in time spent checking a feature or toolpath mid-program in an already efficient software. Both production machining and mold and die customers can benefit greatly from this expedition of CAM program output to G-code certification to safe cycle start on the machine. This new feature is available for free for all current and future NCSimul users, updating to version 2026.2, out now. It allows users to fully focus verification effort on risky operations, bypass time-consuming roughing while still generating rest stock materials, and ultimately reducing time and effort getting programs into safe, qualified, ready-to-machine states.